In today's video, we're going to be looking at our Bluetooth settings in macOS. To get this, we need to click the Apple logo in the top left, then click System Preferences, and from here we can select Bluetooth. As you can see, it's got all of the devices that I've connected to previously here, so if I wanted to forget one, let's say this keyboard that I connected to, I can press that X and remove it from there, because it will automatically join if the device turns on. And then also we can check if we want Bluetooth to be shown in the menu bar. So once this is checked, we'll have our Bluetooth settings readily available up here as a drop down, similar to iOS. And from here we can also see our advanced settings. So our Bluetooth setup assistant, which will help you set up devices, and also allowing Bluetooth devices to wake this computer. So if you have headphones or something that can play music, once you press play on them, it'll wake the computer and start playing your music. And also from here we can turn our Bluetooth connections off. Thanks for watching. Visit Kazzicom.com for more information on Office 365, cloud solutions, IT support, and many more services.